Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, before we get into the video, if you could scroll down below and do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free for you guys to subscribe, and what it really does, it helps me by pleasing the whole YouTube algorithm and growing on the platform. So yeah, if you like the TRX, you like modifying and all that stuff, you just want to be supportive, scroll down below, hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on all the TRX colors, interior and exterior colors that you can get on any of the Ram TRXs. I'm going to start at 2021 with the launch edition, and we're going to run all the way to 2024 with the final edition. So let's get into today's video, guys.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. When we play our roles
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to.
Alright everyone, so that was a quick rundown from start to finish with the TRX, all the exterior and interior colors that you can go and find if you're looking to buy a TRX. I figured I'd just go ahead and throw it all into a video for you. I'm a little bit biased since, you know, I love my black TRX back there, but I think besides black, I really do love the Sandblast edition and I love the Lunar edition. I love the interior of the Lunar edition, but I love the exterior of the Sandblast. So let me know down below what your favorite color combo is, what you would pick if you were trying to buy a TRX. So with that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Later, everybody.
I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless.